Good afternoon, class. My name is Rogers Obaya, and I'll be taking you through the creativity dimension of education. I hope you are ready. Get ready with your pens and notebook. And let's start with objectives, or what should a student know at the end of this topic. A student should be able to define creativity, define creative dimension of education. A student should also be able to discuss the importance of creativity in education. He or she should also be able to suggest ways of enhancing creativity in education. And finally, he or she be should critically assess hindrances to creativity in school. Let's begin with what is creativity. Creativity is producing or bringing about something partly or wholly new. Or rather, we can have another definition that goes like eh, creativity is investing an existing object with new properties or characteristics. And there is this final definition of creativity: imagining new possibilities that were not conceived of before. That is what creativity is. Albert Einstein also has a definition of what creativity is, or thinking differently. And he says, most people see what is and never see what can be. That's what creativity is in another dimension or other perspective. Uh, Creativity involves fluency and flexibility of thinking, originality, perspectiveness of problems, intolerance for uncertainty, willingness to overcome, consistency and reliance. Triggers of creativity: necessity or needs for solution. Here we are learning what triggers creativity. And we have said the first one is necessity or need for solution. Another thing that triggers creativity is conducive environment. If you have a conducive environment, you 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 could easily be creative. The third trigger of creativity is current happenings. Lack of inhibitions is also a trigger for creativity. Availability of resources is also another trigger for creativity. Encouragement, and finally, curiosity. Uh, and that will be the end of our topic today, our lesson. Let's meet tomorrow. Have a good evening.